There's the train.
Where?
Right there. Coming in. Yep. Yep.
Are you gonna want to wreck the boat and come out here in the canal by yourself?
I would love to. Look at this. Look at this.
Oh, it's turning?
No. Look at the canals. Yes. Yes. Wow.
Look at that apartment. Is that cool?
I don't know. Look how everything comes right down to the water, you know? They're doing some building over here. Okay, here we go. The bridges are low, so you guys got to watch your heads. Okay?
We have to duck it.
I think you got to go in the boat.
Wait, we got to go in.
In the boat, guys.
Get in.
Yep.
Down. Look, where's
We're going through here. So,
Oh, shoot.
so in
duck.
duck, guys. Down. Heads down. Heads down.
Turn this way. Can you turn this way so they can see? Down, Daddy, more.
Watch your head down.
We're not kidding, sweetie.
When we tell you to get down, get down.
Wow, look at this. Keep your head down. Answer.
My head is...
Wow.
My head is good if it's small enough.
Look behind you, babe. Look behind you.
Wow.
Look at that. Okay,
Yeah.
Are we going to another one?
Yeah, another one.
Mom, I didn't have to duck in that one. I didn't have to duck in this one.
That was the train track. There's the bullet train. Watch your head. Head down.
I'm down, Daddy.
I got it. I'm okay.
I don't have to come down.
Wow.
Yes.
Wait, we're going for that one.
Are we going through more?
Yeah.
Venezia. Welcome. I don't know how to say welcome in Italian.
Benvenido.
That's Spanish. Venezia.
Told you we're going for more.
Yeah.
Oh, that was so much fun. You know, ain't no sign. Nobody tell you, please duck. You better fucking just realize that.
Yep.
You duck.
Watch it and watch out.
Yeah,
No
gotta
warnings.
duck.
Daddy's like, Sydney, come on.
I know.
You didn't know how low it was either. It was right at the top of the boat.
This is the parking for
Oh yeah. It's
yeah, but there's no cars in Venice.
not in Venice.
Not in Venice, just right here. They let you park over here. Yeah.
I mean, we are, but
Let's see a fly.
well, we just saw the place that said welcome to Venice.
There's the police here.
It's a bee in here.
A bee?
Yeah.
Where?
Right there. I'm sitting.
Oh yeah.
Oh God, it's a bee.
Oh, stop it.
It's like the bee let me. I'm scared.
He's not gonna do anything.
I don't want it close to me. No.
He's not gonna do
I
anything.
understand.
That is
Let him fly out. Just shoo him out. There he goes.
It's trying to get our attention, you know?
Yeah.
Nobody's listening. He's like, there's a bee in here.
Okay, I'm going back this way.
There it comes.
That's all the police boats over there and other guys.
Gotta get our keys first.
Yeah. I don't know.
Oh, cool. Supermarket. Like in Switzerland. They have good prices.
Nice.
They have decent food. Good food.
Good food
prices.
and good prices.
I don't know what the price of stuff is in Italy.
From now on, we're using phones as stats.
What, forever and ever now, Esme?
No, from now on.
From now, okay. He's gotta correct you. From now on. What, forever and ever? No, no. From now on.
There is no sidewalk.
Casa San Andrea.
No sidewalk.
I mean, once you get in, the church. Okay, this is us over here, Plaza Roma.
Ah, put your shoes on.
Okay, we got to put our shoes on. Okay, you can shut me off, Bob. Bob, you can shut me off?
Sydney, where's your phone?
I don't know. What go my pictures?
Where's your...
Stop! Get off!
Sydney?
Ouch. No. We can just put your shoes on. We'll tie them on dock. Okay.
Tie them. I just need to put them on.
He's holding the boat here for us, so let's get out of here.
Put them on.
We're all set? All right, here we go.
Everybody's like,
All right, I'm going.
okay.
Look out, Nancy.
How come this shoe won't go?
Hey, where's my bag? Pass me my bag, Bob.
Here.
Thanks. Here we go. Okay. Thank you.